Everyone, this is Baba Sahai wishing you all a happy, great day ahead. Good day, great day, happening day, and better day, and brighter day, and safer day during these days of coronavirus days and lockdown days. And hey, the Dodo. Hey, Dodo. Well, currently the major issue. This video I'm shooting in support of the fight against the human traffickers, fighters in support of the fighters of the human trafficking, witch hunting, and mental health. People, whoever across the world, 146 people have been shortlisted to be recognized by Washington D.C. White House. Ivanka Trump has just announced through a video on Instagram, which I just saw. And in response to this, I would like to bring to it to your notice that in human trafficking, the situation is so weird that your own family members gets into a mental state where either they take their own life by a suicidal attempt or something, like creating a panic or something out of small issues which are not having that much of effect or value, or the requirement is not that high, where the temptation and the mindset goes very up or down immediately, instantly. And in the recent effect, my family is struggling with this issues: human trafficking, mental health, and witch hunting, because my wife is a daughter of Mother Teresa's, Mother Teresa of Calcutta, which has not been announced and publicly not well known. But then the fact is that she is a real flesh and blood daughter of Mother Teresa of Calcutta. She did not die virgin. She had a child with Edward Lord John Spencer of Wales, and she has accumulated enormous wealth in her name as a charity of Missionaries of Charity. And now my wife and my children, Rajveer and Devshika and me, all are struggling for last 15, 17, 20 years to fight it out. The latest is this mayonnaise, right? This mayonnaise. Dodo, come here. This mayonnaise she bought in, my wife, from somewhere. Somebody gifted her or somebody gave her. And this mayonnaise is a poisoned mayonnaise. I and my son had it through bread and all. And we're feeling so sick and vomiting and dehydration and everything. And I want to give it for the test, for the medical test and research, that, this is it. This is not at all. Smells really sad, really sad. And well, Dodo is not well because of this. Come say, मेयोनीज खा के तुमको क्या हुआ? डोडो बताओ, डॉक्टर अंकल को दिखाओ, डॉक्टर अंकल को बताओ तुमको मेयोनीज खा के क्या हुआ, बताओ। और क्या हो रहा? पॉटी हो रहा? और क्या हो रहा? और कुछ नहीं। सड़ा मेयोनीज लाया मामा? कौन लाया? ऑलराइट, तुम खाया मेयोनीज तब से हो रहा? ओके, फाइन. So the story is like, my wife herself is totally trapped and dragged into this. She's absolutely in control of the of these demons, and she's trying to harm us, harm my daughter, harm my son, harm me, harm herself also. She tried many a times. She tries to suicide. So this is what is we are going through, and all across the world, people who are fighting against these menace, we are with you, we are together. And with this immediate steps of Ivanka and White House to fight against this, the second step of epidemic is human trafficking. The first is COVID-19, coronavirus, and second is human trafficking. If we can actually come and focus together on these two issues, world will be a better place, and we will have a better life for our children, and the life will be much easier and better. And at the moment, all the governments, this is all created by the beggars. This is a beggar society all over the world. All the beggars, millions and millions of beggars. These beggars are actually the real culprits behind this menace of human trafficking, mental health, and witch hunting. These beggars has to have a separate policy by all the dominions and all the governments across the world. A separate policy has to be designed by the beggars, so that we create a different separate world for them. We create a different kind of a set of environment for them, so they don't mix up with our civilized world, because they will create trouble, and they will create serious real trouble if we do not handle these beggars immediately. So it's my request that immediately handle beggars beggars. And these two issues, we are there. Baba Sahai gives you a great salute to all the people at White House. And these two solutions to coronavirus, COVID-19, and this, this human trafficking, if we can, handle this, Mr. Trump will win again for sure, and Joe Biden will be nowhere at all, because he doesn't have the real issues to fight. He's just making cures of something or the other. That's all. He doesn't have a real base and real points to fight against Mr. Trump and Republicans in America. So we are there. Don't worry. We'll take care of it. Don't worry. We will come back again.